Jamovi is a free and open-source statistical analysis software that aims to make data analysis more accessible to a wider audience. It provides a user-friendly interface combined with the power of R and other statistical tools. Jamovi is designed to be intuitive for beginners while also offering advanced capabilities for more experienced users. It supports a wide range of statistical analysis, including descriptive statistics, t-tests, ANOVAs, regression analysis, factor analysis, and more. Additionally, Jamovi allows for easy data visualization, making it a versatile tool for researchers, students, and professionals in various fields. Using Jamovi software is quite straightforward, especially if you are familiar with statistical analysis concepts. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started with Jamovi. Download and install Jamovi. Go to the official Jamovi website, https://www.jamovi.org/right/ and download the appropriate version for your operating system, Windows, macOS, or Linux. Follow the installation instructions to install Jamovi on your computer. Launch Jamovi. Once installed, launch the Jamovi software. Load data. To start analyzing data, you need to import your dataset into Jamovi. You can do this by clicking on the plus button in the top left corner of the interface and selecting Open File to browse and select your data file. Explore data. After loading your data, you can explore it by clicking on the dataset name in the data pane on the left side of the interface. This will open a spreadsheet-like view of your data. Perform statistical analysis. To perform statistical analysis, click on the Analysis tab in the top menu. Here, you'll find a list of different statistical tests and analyses you can perform, such as t-tests, ANOVAs, correlations, regressions, etc. Select the analysis you want to perform, then drag and drop the variables from your dataset into the appropriate sections of the analysis dialog box. Configure any additional settings or options based on your analysis requirements. Click Run to execute the analysis. The results will be displayed in the output pane on the right side of the interface. Data visualization. Jamovi allows you to create various types of data visualizations, such as histograms, bar charts, scatterplots, etc. Click on the Charts tab in the top menu to access the chart options. Choose the type of chart you want to create and drag and drop the variables into the appropriate sections of the chart dialog box. Customize the appearance and settings of the chart as needed. Click Apply to generate the chart, and it will be displayed in the output pane. Exporting results. Once you have performed your analysis and created visualizations, you can export the results. Click on the Export button in the top right corner of the interface to export your output as a PDF, HTML, or CSV file. Save your work. Remember to save your work regularly by clicking on the floppy disk icon or selecting Save from the File menu. That's a basic overview of how to use Jamovi software for statistical analysis. As you explore the software and its features, you'll discover more advanced options and functionalities to enhance your data analysis workflow.